Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a high score in your food catcher game. Okay, so we've got functions in our food sprite that let us earn a point, but I want to check to see who has the highest score and be able to keep track of that. So I'm going to create a variable, and it's going to make a variable, be a new one, and I'm going to call it high score. High score. And because I'm a scratcher, I have this option for a cloud variable that is stored on a server. So this makes it so that anybody who signed into Scratch and is a scratcher is able to compete with other scratchers. So it will save this score if a friend were to go and play this and they get a score of 10, and then I would log into it and I would actually see their score of 10, and then I could try and get a score of maybe like 20. And then when they went back into the project, they would be able to see the changes in it. So you can actually see the score across all of the people who have played your project, which is pretty cool. So I'm going to make a new function, a new block, and I'm going to say check if new high score, and say okay. And I want it to run this code whenever we earn a point. So the code that it's going to run is another conditional, an if block. So we're going to say if our score is greater than our high score, then we want to change it to that. So we can use these, put them inside of here. So if our score is greater than our high score, then we want to set our high score to our score. Okay? So we earn a point, and then after we earn a point, we're going to check if it's a high score, which we'll call this function right here. And if our score is greater than our high score, then it's going to set our high score to the score. Now, normally we'd go up into our setup and we'd set the high score to 0 at the beginning. But because I want it to keep the score from whoever just got the highest score last time, I don't want to reset it. So we have our green flag and we start. And so let's say we have a high score of 5. And then when we restart this project, it stays at 5. Whoops, I just lost on my own game. I guess I need to practice more. However, once I get to a high score of 6, then it's going to change this. So watch, right now. So see how it's a higher score now? And then I dropped 3 times, so it ended my game. Neat, right? Okay, so remember, if you're going to create a high score, when you make the variable, make sure it's a cloud variable. If you don't have this option, it won't save it every single time that somebody plays the game. And once you make that variable, you simply add in this code right here to check to see if you have a new high score, and then you play your game and try and beat your high score. Hey everyone, if you're watching this on YouTube, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. If you're not watching us on YouTube, you can find us on that platform as well as other social media outlets by searching for BootUp PD. And if you're looking for more free lessons, projects, and resources for teachers and students, visit us at bootuppd.org, where you can also learn about our high-quality professional development.